name is Travis Kimball. I'm a partner and the Chief Marketing Officer at Quack Car Wash, and today I'm in my hometown of Rancho Cordova, California. Excited to open our second Rancho Cordova location here in beautiful Sacramento, California. As part of our grand opening, we always select a family or an individual in the community where we can really do some good and help them out by holding a preview fundraiser.
Brandon was diagnosed with severe aplastic anemia last year and has been undergoing treatment. And so we were so happy to link them to Quack and nominate them for this wonderful fundraiser so that the family could be supported through medical expenses, transportation, other basic needs that will help this family throughout this experience. Thank you again, Quack, and to the wonderful community for coming out and showing such generous support to Brandon and his family.
My pleasure to present a check today for $6,100.
The City Council of the City of Rancho Cordova recognizes Quack Car Wash as a valued member of the business community in Rancho Cordova. In witness thereof, I have set my hand and caused the seal of the city to be affixed this 21st day of July, 2020.